So I'm Giuseppe Carrace. I'm a technical architect working for professional services.
I'm Arthur Emerson, technical architect at Salesforce Professional Services as well, located in Geneva, Switzerland.
So in my previous job before joining Salesforce, I was managing a small instance of Marketing Cloud account engagement. I had a manual task every day to keep this list of prospects clean, and it was cumbersome.
So the email validator services. Whenever a new prospect is coming to your landing page, subscribing to your landing page to collect email addresses. From that point, you have two strategies. We noticed like many customers, they don't want to go through these two steps validations process. What we did, we are providing now a way to validate the email addresses without sending this second email to the customer.
Salesforce provides these external actions, which is a framework anyone can use to extend Marketing Cloud account engagement with additional functionality. This allows us to use external services which are specialized in email validation, and we can keep the database of prospects clean.
Before that feature, customers, they have to extract all the prospects from the database, do the validation, and then re-import in mass. What we can do now is doing like on the go. You have new prospect, you validate the email address, and you're good.
This feature didn't exist at all in the solution, so it's really an extension of the solution. That was a pain point when I was on the customer side. As soon as I joined Salesforce and I could participate in Salesforce Labs, and which I tried to solve and to share for free to the Salesforce community.